Alright, everybody, here we have Bluey Harmonica, which is an instrument. Let's open it. And although it's nighttime, so we're gonna play it less. Right, Elinor?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a harmonica, Bluey. Right, Fluttershy?
Yes.
Alright, I'm gonna give it a try. I'm gonna take off my MTA uniform first. Alright, you know what? I guess we'll do it in the video since MTA workers wants to sing and listen to this instrument. In 3, 2, 1. Oops, which way it goes? Oh, it's a squeaky toy. I thought it was a male harmonica. Alright, I'm gonna put my MTA vest away so I could get another one. Since we're done making unboxing videos of trains. Alright, here we have another one right here of this Bluey harmonica. Here we go. Alright, that's enough. Everybody, I hope you like my 2 Bluey harmonica squeaking toys. You could see Bingo, Bluey, Bandit, and Chili. You could watch Bluey on Disney Junior, which is available, I think. And from the UK, CBBS BBC iPlayer. Right, Elinor?
Yeah.
Alright. Good night, everybody.
Yeah.
For Littlest Pet Shop, My Little Pony, and South Park, we will use it 3 unboxing, since we're going to do a split unboxing, 3 splits.